name is Tatiana Morris and I am the Eco Clean Queen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I call myself the Eco Clean Queen because I use eco-friendly cleaning methods to clean my space around me, and I want to show you on YouTube how to do the same. I had a house cleaning business for about 10 years and I learned a lot of tips and tricks along the way to making my space clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods. My mom has her own house cleaning business and she taught me how to clean about 15 years ago. She started picking up clients, making some money, and then she taught me to do the same. I started out using toxic cleaners, and over the years I started to notice that I had breathing problems and skin irritations. So I started using more eco-friendly natural cleaners, and I could see the significant difference in the way that I felt. I know cleaning is not the funnest task in the world. However, I want to make it fun for you. Right now I'm in transition. I sold my house cleaning business. I sold my 2 cars. I had 1 car for my cleaning business and 1 for personal use. Right now I'm trying to minimize as much as possible. My husband and I are taking off. We are going on a 6-week excursion to Panama. We will be there 10 days in Panama City, and we are staying at an Airbnb. From there, we will take the local bus over to a city called David. In David, we will take a small bus over to a small town called Boquete. Boquete is a little city in the Volcano Mountains, and we booked an Airbnb there for 41 nights. We will be hiking 20 minutes into town. And so from there, I will be recreating my cleaning kit. So I'll show you how I do that with wherever I go. So if you're traveling and you need to find ways to how you're gonna clean your space, come along with me. If you like my videos, go ahead and give them a thumbs up. If you want to comment below and ask any questions about cleaning, I would be happy to make a video for you. So the history of cleaning begins from the beginning of time. Animals clean themselves. Humans have been cleaning themselves since we came into existence. Cleaning is very, very important. If you understand the value of cleaning and you start applying it to your life, you'll see that your world will be so much brighter and you'll feel more enlightened and happy. The space around you, when it's clean, the energy is so much lighter. It feels so much better. That's my intention with this YouTube channel, is to show you how to consciously clean so that your space and your environment feels better and you feel better in your mind, your body, and your soul. When I complete my cleaning tasks, my mind, body, and spirit feels so much better. Mother Earth appreciates it. The people around me appreciate it. I will also go into the energy work of cleaning your space using sound healing so that it can feel more peaceful in your environment. I want to bring awareness to the world that clean spaces definitely makes a difference and that you can do your part to making this world a cleaner place for you, your loved ones, and your environment. Eco Clean Queen channel is the best channel for you to learn how to clean your spaces using eco-friendly cleaning methods. I generally want to be happy, so please be nice in your comments and I will be nice back to you. Thank you. And hey, I'm open to suggestions all the time, so please comment below asking any questions that you may have, any suggestions for new videos, any suggestions at all for this video. Just please be nice and consciously aware that I am human. I have feelings, okay? I want to add value into your life. The value is only received once you take action. Accomplishing cleaning tasks feels good. These videos are simple and easy to follow, giving you the confidence to tackle your cleaning tasks at home. I want to inspire you to tackle one task at a time. Let's start a movement. Why not? If you're a surfer, wouldn't you like cleaner oceans? If you're a hunter, wouldn't you like to be out in the wilderness? We can start composting, reducing, reusing, recycling, restoring. We have the power to make a difference. That is like a ripple effect. And you start telling your friends about it, your friends start telling their friends about it, and before you know it, this web of amazing cleanliness goes out into the universe, and it comes back to us. We can breathe cleaner air, we can drink cleaner water, okay? We can have more nutrients in our soil. Let's do this. It's time. It's time to start taking action with our world. It's time to start being passionate about the clean space around us. It's starting with us right here at home. If you like my videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you like my cleaning video and you want to see more, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching my YouTube channel, and I look forward to creating more.